When high computing power meets ultimate stability, the one-cool 240-slot Shenma water-cooled container injects new momentum into mining operations. The one-cool 240-slot Shenma water-cooled container adheres to industry-standard dimensions: 12.196 m in length, 2.438 m in width, and 2.896 m in height, with an overall net weight of approximately 12 tons. It can accommodate up to 240 units of Shenma M63 series water-cooled mining machines, enabling large-capacity loading and large-scale deployment. The main pipeline and branch pipeline areas are constructed using high-quality 304L stainless steel, which undergoes multiple processes, such as pickling, passivation, and baking, followed by fully automated mechanical welding. Compared with traditional stainless steel, it offers higher precision, better sealing performance, and superior overall functionality. The primary main pipeline boasts a diameter of DN 125, and each floor's secondary branch pipeline is equipped with independent valves. The connections between the secondary branch pipelines and the machines adopt 304 mini-bore valves and 12 mm Shenma-specific water-cooled quick connectors. Double-sealed joints ensure tight connections and reliable stable operation. And built-in CDU, cooling distribution unit, provides full system protection. Equipped with 2 power distribution cabinets, the system operates with the synergy of multiple devices, including circulation pumps and makeup pumps, ensuring smooth circulation of the cooling liquid and laying a solid foundation for the stable operation of mining machines. Paired with advanced PLC, programmable logic controller, and remote control systems, it enables smarter management. Key functions include automatically adjusting pump frequency based on set pressure differentials, automatically adjusting the fan frequency of heat dissipation devices according to set temperatures, real-time monitoring of pressure, temperature, water level, pump frequency, etc., with automatic alarms triggered when values are excessively high or low. Supporting both automatic and manual operation modes, while monitoring system operation duration and pipeline flow, and realizing automatic water replenishment when the system is short of water. These features comprehensively ensure the efficient operation of the system. OneCool leads the liquid cooling revolution,